In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract signature from PDF file. Let's begin. So I have my Word document open here and I want to add my signature at the bottom here just above the line. But the problem is my signature is in another document and I don't want to draw the signature once more. So what you're going to do is you are going to locate that specific document and all you need to do is just drag it and drop it into the Word documents just above the line. And you'll see that it's going to show the full thing. And what we need to do is select it and we need to crop it. So go to picture format at the top here, then choose crop. Then all we need to do is just crop this picture to only leave behind the signature. So once it is done, just click anywhere outside of the picture. Then you're going to select the signature, which is now an image, and then select this option, which says layout options. Then choose in front of text, under with text wrapping. So select it in front of text, then select the signature and drag it, and then just simply readjust the size. And as you can see here, we've just added our signature. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.